cherish humanity and contribute to a green.
Personnel are being asked to accomplish their same tasks and achieve their same KPIs down to the cycle when it's time to develop their business.
No one drives it. It drives autonomously. It detects all the terrain and all the situations and environments, and it decides every path and trajectories. The machine can download from the control center about the whole site map. Then at that time, the machine can know or detect the pipelines or electric lines underground. Yeah. In this case, just one operator can manage several machines for 24 hours.
It's difficult. I always say construction's much harder than automotive autonomy because of the wide variations of jobs. So we're starting with very specific jobs like mowing, material transport, those types of things first to implement the technology, and later on in years we'll be able to program to get to the more advanced ones like digging your pool in your backyard. I think people think about that it's removing workers, but it's a complement.